Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the question which you can see on the screen, in which we have to find angle BFD. This is a typical question where we have to use circle theorems, and let us see that which circle theorems can make this question easier. So first you need to observe that this is the arc, and on this arc we have an angle 76. Okay. With the same segment, we have another angle which is CBF. Okay, this one. So angle in the same segment are equal, due to which this angle will be 76. Now just remember that this 76 is an angle which is a part of triangle in which BFD is also there. So that's what we need to keep in mind. Now coming to the later part, for the same triangle, we need to see this angle. Over here we can use a circle theorem one more time, and this is the central angle 88 and half of which will be this angle. So angle BDF will be 44. Using the circle theorem, angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. Now in triangle BFD we have 76, we have 44 and we have angle BFD. They are all sum up to give us 180. From here we can get BFD, which is 180 minus this will be 80, 120, so that will be 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree, and using the circle theorem we can get it very easily. So just watch this video one more time and just look for the circle theorem what we have used over here. If you are fine with it, then these type of questions are much easier to solve.